Hello, so I have Photoshop open here. This is probably how it usually opens up with just like you say file new and then you get a new canvas. And yeah, so I guess I'm gonna explain how I would transfer stuff from Photoshop files to non-Photoshop files. I guess the TV Paint. I would do new and then I guess find a preset. Oh boy, I forgot. He's been repeating all of the um, film and video. 2K native if there is one of those. DCI 8K, 4K, DCI 2K 180p. I'm assuming this is it. Yeah, 2048 by 180. So here, animation example. So that will be the animation frame, and here there's like outlines and stuff. I don't know. If those distract you, then I think you can just move them. Yeah, those are just rulers. You just like click the drag tool, and I'm sure there's like tutorials on how to use Photoshop, but essentially this is just the pencil tool, and you can choose and import brushes and all of that. And then here to go to the animation workspace, I've got window over here, and I would click on workspace and go to motion, and then here is this create animation button, but start out by creating like a couple new layers. Or just okay, I don't know. I'll start by creating one frame animation, and then here layer 1 is on frame 1, and then you can click new, and layer 1 is still on frame 1, but you'll like want to create a new layer and then be like layer 2, and just why is this not here? So this will be a little bit cumbersome, but you know, that works. And then you just hide it and then make a new layer again for each one, and then the new layer will be visible. And then, oh my gosh, yeah, every time you make a new layer, it's gonna show up on the first frame. So that's annoying, but you know, that's just kind of how it is. But it's better than nothing, you know, it's better than paying $600. And then you can just click play. They don't really have an FPS setting. I guess you can click, if you like set it to 1 second, then I'm assuming it will be there for 1 second, and then it's like however many frames. Oh, that doesn't make sense actually. I don't know. That's too slow. Yeah, so the actual frames per second, I can't tell you what that's gonna be, but you will have frames to go through, and you will have the correct dimensions, and you can kind of just, once you have the ones that you like, you go to like file, export, layers to files, and then destination, I'm gonna put it into documents, and then I'm gonna make a new folder, call it and then I think all of each, see, every layer exports as a PNG. It's gonna be transparent. I don't really know what else, but those export. And then here I can click, I'm on the like online like login for all of these things, and I'm gonna add folder, go to documents, back to find where that was, and then I'll select this file, and I think Those will be updated. Oh, start upload? Yeah, so anim files, yep, they're there. So this is now the folder, and I assume that you can just open these and then import them like we did the video into your